let us post these journal entries into ledger accounts. Now students, there are two entries written here. On June 20th, there is an entry of cash to sales, that is goods sold for cash. Now in this case, there are two accounts that are affected, the first one being cash and the second one being sales. So let us prepare cash account. Let's say this is our cash account and this is our sales account. Now students, in this entry, cash account has been debited. Since the cash account has been debited, this entry would be posted onto the debit side of cash account. That is, the account which has been debited, the posting is made on the debit side, and the account which has been credited, the posting would be made on the credit side. So now in this case, cash account is being debited. So June 20th is the date, and on the debit side of cash account we will write to sales. Cash has been debited for sales account. Amount would be 1 lakh rupees. Now students, coming to sales account. In this entry, the sales account has been credited. So the entry would be made on the credit side of sales account. Now credit side is the right hand side. So on sales account, on the credit side, June 20th is the date, by. Every entry on the credit side is preceded by So this account was credited by cash account. So we'll write by cash account and the amount would be 1 lakh rupees. Again, we must make sure that there is a cross entry. Cross entry means an entry on the debit side of one account is matched by an entry on the credit side of the other account. So in one account debit and in other account credit. Coming to the second transaction, the date is June 25th. Cash to Vijay. That means we have received cash from Vijay. In this entry, cash account is debited. So again, on the debit of cash account, we will write to Vijay. Since the cash account was debit, the entry would be made on the debit side of cash account to Vijay 80,000 and date is June 25th. The second account in this case is Vijay. So let us open a ledger account for Vijay. This is the ledger account for Vijay. In case of Vijay, Vijay has been credited. So the entry would be made on the credit side. That is the right hand side of the account. Date is June 25th by. This account was credited by cash. So by cash account 80,000. Now students, again we can see very clearly that an entry on the debit side has been matched by an entry on the credit side of this account. So now it again illustrates the double entry concept, that is one aspect, that is debit aspect, and the other aspect, credit aspect, both are equal and both are recorded.